If Steam is showing error 400, don't panic. This is usually a bad request error, which means Steam is getting confused by corrupted web data, oversized cookies, or a desynced internal browser. The good news is that this is often easy to fix, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the safest and most effective method step by step. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tutorials. First, let's start with the most common fix, which is clearing Steam's web browser data. This error usually affects the store, community, or profile pages, so the built-in browser data is the first thing we want to reset. Open Steam, then click on Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Inside Settings, find the in-game section. From there, look for the option that says Delete Web Browser Data. Click it to clear out the cached web files and cookies that may be causing the error. Once that's done, fully restart Steam and try opening the page again. If error 400 is still showing up, the next step is to manually delete the htmlcache folder. This is useful when the settings menu itself is acting buggy or the built-in cleanup didn't fully fix the issue. To do this, completely exit Steam first. You can do that through Task Manager if needed, just to make sure Steam is fully closed in the background. Next, press Windows+R on your keyboard, type %localappdata%\Steam, and press Enter. This will open Steam's local data folder. Look for a folder named htmlcache and delete it. That folder stores browser-related cache, and removing it can clear out the stuck data that keeps triggering the bad request error. After deleting it, relaunch Steam and test it again. If the problem is still happening, there may be a network-related issue causing Steam to misread the request. In that case, we should flush the DNS cache and reset Winsock. This can help if your system is stuck on outdated server data or if a network loop is interfering with Steam connections. Click the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock, reset and press Enter. These commands clear old network information and reset your Windows networking stack. After that, restart your PC completely. Once your computer comes back on, open Steam again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve Steam error 400 right away. Start with clearing browser data, move to deleting HTML cache if needed, and then finish with the DNS and Winsock reset if the issue still remains, and that's it. You've now got a complete step-by-step way to fix Steam error 400 and get back to browsing the store, community, or your profile without that bad request message getting in the way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Steam troubleshooting guides like this one.